Oi, oi, Wild Army. Wildman Guards here, explores, boots on the ground. Hope you're enjoying the content today. It's a Sunday. I'm out, boots on the ground, looking for old world buildings, old world history. Mixture of red brick, old brick, symbolism. Look at this place, guys. It's actually got the old copper conductor on top. It's actually an art centre now, this is. But like I say, I've had permission to view these grounds. Let's take a look around this old building, eh? See what little nuggets we can find. I think I'm going to go this way. There's the church I've just been in, if you're following along on my videos. What an absolutely awesome, massive building. You don't make them like this anymore, guys. Like I say, this is a mixture of old and new. I'll try and get as much in as I can, column by column. Look at that. As you can see, they've mixed red brick with sandstone. Actually got a symbol up there. Try and not get anyone on camera. You've got the 3 stars and the arrow. Oh, wind's picking up, sorry guys. Let's take a look if they've got any little nugs knocking about. Looks slippy down there. As you can see, they've blended it. I don't know how deep this goes down, but it goes deeper. Listen at that, guys. I've seen better days, though. Beautiful old building. I don't know if I should be viewing this part of the building. I know I've had permission down in the stables, but we couldn't leave this out, could we, guys? I mean, how far does this go down? There's a doorway here been blocked off. But as you can see, it goes a lot deeper. So how deep does this go down, guys? I think they built on top of something underneath there. That's what it looks like to me. That looks like the original part. And then it looks like they built on top and tried blending in different stone. Man, this place is absolutely humongous. I'm on a right wild mission today, guys. I'm miles away from home. So sorry about the wind. As you can see, that's the original part. It goes down a lot deeper. So they got the steps. Look at these. Actually got dogs holding the lights. Actually got another door over there that's similar. I'm not actually allowed in this building, I don't think, as you can hear. Guys, look at that. This is your truth nuggets here, look. It's actually got the old lead piping, but look how deep it goes down, guys. That's actually been blocked off. This place goes really deep. Have they built on top of it with modern brick and used remnants of the old world to fill in the pieces? Sorry about the noise, guys. Just hope my camera's picking all this up for you. So glad I managed to get out today. As you can see, the lights are on. It is a dark day today. It's actually the 15th of December. As you can see, massive doorways as usual. I just want to get a full scope of this. Check the symbolism out. My God. Who designed that? It looks happy though. There's your older part where it's blackening. Evidence of burn maybe. Three stars and the pointed arrow. Them shields have been rubbed off. And then as you actually get further up the building, it looks darker. There's more symbols. Can't really make them out on this camera. Absolutely awesome old building. Well, it's full of people. And I don't really want to go in somewhere that's full of people. I don't actually think I am allowed in there, in all fairness. Don't get me wrong, I'd love getting in there. I mean, look. Don't know if you can see in there, guys. Can I see in there? It's actually the old library, I think. The chandelier. Oh my God. Absolutely awesome old history. We've got these old buildings all over the UK. I didn't even know this one was here. Oh, look at it. Look at the chimneys and everything, the design, the work that went into them. The symbolism all around them. I don't know if I'm actually allowed round here. Might take a look around, see what there is. Am I allowed round here? You doing archery, are you?
We've got an archery range going on here. There's a lot of activities, and we've got a load of kids around as well. So
yeah, I'm not getting anyone on camera.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, I just want the architecture. I haven't got anyone on camera. Lovely old buildings, aren't they?
I don't know a lot about it. Just what I read.
Yeah, I've just been over to the church. Have you been in the church?
No, not a chance.
It's beautiful in there.
Yeah.
But some lovely old history about. People don't realise. I mean, a lot of people in America. I do YouTube videos, and a lot of people in America. All the old architecture.
If it wasn't for the cadets inside, you'd have a look around.
Yeah.
Some of the photos,
I'd love getting here in this library, like, but.
Yeah, well, that's the area we've been using as a senior staff room.
Yeah, oh, there you go.
There's a photograph in there taken in 1907 when King Edward VII visited.
Oh, yeah. Oh, great. Oh, that's a nice bit of history I didn't know about. But yeah, lovely old place, isn't it?
It is.
But yeah, thank you for that, brother.
No worries.
Like I say, I haven't got anyone on camera. You're all right.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for that. Yeah, just beautiful, beautiful old world history. I have got a lot more to see. Love them dogs. I wouldn't mind some of them dogs outside my pad. They'd look a bit out of place though at Wildman's Gaff. Oh, that was a nice bit of history for us, guys. I didn't know that. King Edward VII, eh? So yeah, there it is. That's the big old hall I was after. Everyone's always so polite. There's actually children coming out of the building now, so need to make myself scarce because I don't want to get anyone on camera. So yeah, old world building at its finest there, guys. What a massive estate. I've just got to try and find my way out now. So I've got to try and find my way home. bonkers. So I've done well there. Didn't actually get anyone on camera. I managed to visit the old church, the old stables, and that massive estate hall. So there's one for you, Wild Army. Old world exploring, looking for old world history, old world evidence, melted red brick, melted reality, and whatever else we've been lied to about. So this is the Wildman Guards Explorers signing out. I've got to try and make my way back now. Let's go and see what other little nuggets we can find. Beautiful, beautiful old place. He's got an archery lesson going on round there. I wish I could have joined in. I do archery. Might come in handy one day. I'll have to get the bow and arrow out. Awesome. Nice little explore that, guys. Sorry I couldn't get inside the building, but with there being children about, it's obvious. So this is the Wildman Guards Explorers signing out. Hopefully get some more videos up for you, some more content. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, all the people who are looking for buried truth, old world history, and other crazy stuff. So let's do one, guys. This is the Wildman Guards, boots on the ground. And that's what that was. So there you go, guys. Right, I'm out here. I've got a lot more to see. There's actually the old stables there with the old white architectured roof. That's in my other video. Big shout out to Paul Cook, John Levy, Our Melted Reality, all the other guys looking for truth. This is Wildman Guards, boots on the ground, signing up on another adventure. Let's go see what other little nuggets we can find. Take care, guys. Wildman on manoeuvres. Wild Army. Oi, oi!